For this question, given function equals to 4 to the power of x plus 2. Find the value of a where f a equals to 1. So when we substitute a into the function, we can get 4 to the power of a plus 2 equals to 1. Therefore, we have to solve it. So we're going to log both sides or ln both sides. So ln 4a plus 2, then ln 1. Ln 1 can be simplified equals to 0. Then as we can see 4 to the power of a plus 2, we can use law of properties of log, where a plus 2 can be moved into front. So it turns with ln 4. Then move the multiplication of ln 4 to the right hand side, become divide. 0 divide anything can get 0. So therefore a is equals to negative 2. So from here, the first one is how we're going to simplify our indices equation and then solve to the answer. So for question B, find F inverse and its domain. So as we know, F inverse can be equals to x. When a function mapping back to its inverse, it will get back to x. So therefore, our function just now is 4x plus 2. So when we substitute F inverse into our function, it will become 4 to the power of F inverse plus 2. So from here, we have to simplify until we can get to inverse function. So same concept, we're going to ln both sides. So that here we can use the property of log, where this power of this item, it can be moved to front. So F inverse x plus 2 move to the front times with ln 4. Then we simplify. Ln 4 move to the right hand side. So it will become division. Then lastly, we simplify 2 to the right hand side. Here we have our F inverse. So based on this F inverse, we have to find its domain. So for domain, look at our F inverse. If we rewrite it into the simple form, we can see the constant is 1 over ln 4. For the function ln x minus 2. So this is a log function. So for log function domain, DSLR, so we have to know that log is one of our special function in calculating the domain. So for log, apa yang log bawah mesti besar daripada kosong. So from here, x has to be more than 0. So domain, we put in set notation, x greater than 0. So from here, how we going to get these 4 marks? The first one, we using the idea F inverse mapping back to its function, we can get x. So that will be the first concept. Then we simplify using the properties of log. And then we get to the inverse function. So finally, state the domain of F inverse.